To get the most out of your blooming tea experience, we recommend using a borosilicate glass teapot that is at least 3 to 4 inches deep. This way, the flowering tea has enough room to completely unfurl. A glass teapot is the best option because you can clearly see the blooming tea open up right before your eyes. If you're steeping the caffeine-free, smaller blooming tea variety, it's best to use a borosilicate glass mug. To make a proper blooming tea, heat up fresh filtered water that hasn't been boiled before. We don't recommend using tap water because, in some locations, it may be too rich in minerals and cause the blooming tea to float. Freshly boiled water will bring out more delicious flavors from your tea. Heat your water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius in a kettle or separate pot. Place 1 blooming tea bud in your glass teapot or glass mug. Gently pour the water over your blooming tea so it fills the pot or mug about 4 inches high. Steep your blooming tea until the flower has fully opened. This process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You may serve your tea hot or iced, and feel free to add your sweetener of choice. Each blooming tea flower can be steeped up to 3 times. Store your drained tea flower in a sealed container without water and keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days. You can also keep your tea flower on display in the teapot after you have finished drinking your tea. It makes an excellent tabletop decoration that is as beautiful as any flower bouquet.